my name is Vadini. I'm from RPIIT College, Karnal. Today we are going to learn about pragmatic processing in artificial intelligence. What is pragmatic? Where we focuses on how the context and the real world knowledge influence the interpretation of the sentences. Pragmatic processing in AI focuses on understanding the language in context, accounting for the speaker's intent, implied meaning, and situational factors. Intent recognition, this is one of the key tasks which performed for pragmatic processing. It determines the purpose behind a user's input. For example, can you tell me the time? So this is as the request of the current for the current time, not the it is a literal meaning. The applications which we use in the intent recognition is chatbots, virtual assistant, and customer service AI. Speech acts. What are speech acts? It recognizes that the utterances can perform actions such as request or promises. It identifies the function as an utterance, example, command, request, or question. Examples is close the door as a directive. And the applications which we use here is task-oriented dialogue systems and smart home controls. Then is Dix's resolution. What is Dix's resolution? That is resolves the references to time, place, or objects. Here, there, this, that. For example, input this here. AI determines that the reference object and locations. Now, this is applications which is human robot interaction, augmented reality systems. The fourth one is implicature and indirect speech understanding. Infers implied meaning beyond literal words. Interpreting it's getting old in here is a request to close the window or turn up the heat. Exam applications, sentiment analysis, personalized assistant, and emotion aware AI. Fifth one is politeness, that is a social norm, adapts the responses based on the social cultural norms. Example, choosing a polite tone when responding to the formal query. And what are the examples which we use here for politeness and social norms? Is like cultural, cross-cultural communication tools and customer-facing AI systems. This is we completed the disclosure and pragmatic processing as in today's video also. If you like our channel, to like and subscribe.